while resolving the disputes with respect to maintenance, yourself also remember and make the parties also to remember that God is also maintaining us. God is taking care of us and we are enjoying it. At the same point of time, whether we are required to be satisfied whatsoever the God has provided to us, or should we demand more what we like. Many times what we do, we request the God to provide what we think is required for us. We request the God, pray the God, daily pray to the God, provide us this thing, provide me this thing, provide me car, provide me big house, provide me this thing, provide me property. And God doesn't do as per our wishes. Sometimes daily prayers do mature. And what happens? That I'll give here an example. If a son prays to his father that provide me two-wheeler, but the father knows that he is too young to handle it, he will not provide the son two-wheeler. Because the father knows that he will injure himself. The son will injure himself. But if the son daily pray before the father, provide me two-wheeler, provide me two-wheeler, provide me two-wheeler, provide me two-wheeler, nothing else, then the father may provide him two-wheeler. The moment the son will get injury, he will repent it. Similarly, if you pray to the God daily that provide us this thing, provide me this thing, the God may also provide something. May. And when it is of no use to me, I will repent. So, what maintenance means? Maintenance means for the welfare of the dependent, what the person maintaining him thinks fit. At the most, it should be enough for his livelihood as the God is providing to us when we are on this earth. Nature is providing to us when we are on this mother earth. You know, the maximum we require to live is sunlight in abundance. The second thing comes air. It is needed after every few seconds. Enough. The third thing is water. Enough. The fourth thing is food. Enough. But why it is scarce? Because some people had stored it for themselves, for their coming generations. When one is accumulating it, for other it is deficient. This is what we are doing. This is what we think when we ask for the maintenance from others. If you remember these things, problem will not come. And if you are adjudicating this matter, make the parties before you to understand all these things. The dispute with respect to maintenance will be solved in a positive note. Thank you. This is my last video on maintenance and happiness in life as far as my thoughts with my experiences are concerned. If any new thought come, I will be definitely with you. For the time being, thank you.